Everything is nice and proper. This is basically an indestructible engine, as they tell me. And I'm going to show you the engine or underneath the hood. There you go. Just get the hood popped open for you. Again, it is a W126 chassis, and it is a turbo diesel engine. Let me just get the hood open. There we go. All right, so Peter, my camera guy, is going to talk a little bit about the engine. Only thing I really know is that it is a 3-liter, and it is a
turbo diesel.
Yeah. So
617 engine. Just was recently serviced. Got all new filters, valve adjustment, and some other little stuff done. This is probably the most reliable and easy to fix car they ever built. They're known to go 1,000,000 miles, and there's not many out there in this condition, especially one owner, in very, very proper cosmetic and mechanical condition.
I do want you to see the hood of the car as well. It is not a showroom piece. It's not going to be your museum piece at all. I'm not going to shut that because I don't want to hurt it, but you can see that it's very nice, well maintained and proper. And here's your nice wheels, your Mercedes wheels, your Michelin tires. Again, it is your nice S-Class, roomy, reliable. The wood grain is beautiful. I said it was the original navy leather interiors. You can see there. And of course it does sound like a vault when you shut these doors. I believe it has a cast iron engine as well. And this is made for the American market.
Floor mats.
Yeah, yay for floor mats. But they are the nice proper
Original
floor mats.
spare tire, original spare.
And your toolkit as well.
It looks like they had a telephone in here one time.
So I am going to take it out on a test drive for you. And oh, by the way, we do have a sunroof, which I'm going to show you. It's getting really dark here. This is one that we're just trying to fit in. It's late and the sun is about to set. So I will take it out on a test drive for you. All right. Love the sound of that. I'm going to get it started up for you. You can see it starts very nice and easily. Go ahead and get it into drive. I'm going to turn the lights on as well. We have the original Becker radio. I'm going to get the sunroof opened. This way we can at least see, because again, the sun is setting fairly quickly on us. There's really nothing that I believe would offend you about this car. Yes, it's not going to be your fastest car ever. It is a turbo diesel, but let's keep in mind it's a 1984 masterpiece by Mercedes. Yes, we say masterpiece, not necessarily museum piece, but masterpiece is certainly at. We do still have the nice working electric seats, so they go forward and back, not too far back because I am driving, but that is something. The cruise control even works on this car. My camera guy, is going to help me set that.
Okay.
So you can see that that still works. Everything works very well maintained. One owner, as I mentioned, that's huge, and you can drive this car from what I have been told 1,000,000 miles, as they say. So I have to say, as comfortable as I am.
This is the original black what came with the car.
As comfortable as I am, I would actually drive this car 1,000,000 miles, because this seat is extremely comfy, and even this armrest, like, I'm just straight chilling. The car is driving itself. I think, like, I could just let my hands off the wheel and let it go, and I am. So, awesome car. I actually hope that we take this out tonight.
Most likely we will export it somewhere, you know. We ship it all over the world. Some collector wants that car.
Yeah, we do worldwide shipping,
They're 30 years old. Europeans will buy those cars.
Yeah.
Original Becker radio, or an upgraded Becker, maybe.
I already mentioned that.
Okay.
I'm gonna give Peter I'm gonna start filming him.
Yes.
All right. autohouseofnaples.com or autohousenaples.com. Instagram's Autohouse Naples, and you can call us directly. That's 239-263-8500. Our website again is www.autohouse, H-A-U-S is house, Naples.com, and our phone number is 239-263-8500. My name's Marianne. You can ask for me directly, and I will see you on the next one. Sorry, I'm looking at how comfortable that back seat looks as well. This is one of the most comfortable cars I've ever sat in. I'm being dead honest with you.
It's a very nice car.
I love it.
I love the 126s.
Yes. So I will see you guys on the next one. I can't wait.